Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Summer here to talk about lesson 804, Acid and Base Chemistry. So in this lesson, the goals are to describe indicators, define neutralization between acids and bases, and discuss real-world applications of buffers. If we remember the pH scale, more acidic items are down here, below 7, more basic items are above 7 on the pH scale. Indicators are substances, typically a weak acid or a weak base, that change color when an acid or base is added. The concentration of hydrogen ions change their chemical makeup, which changes their color. So some indicators include phenol red, phenolphthalein, universal indicator, bromocresol green, red cabbage juice, turmeric or curry, grape or cherry juice, red onion. Acids and bases can be neutralized so their pH becomes closer to 7. To neutralize an acid, you add a base. To neutralize a base, you add an acid. When you used strong acids and bases, the general reaction is always acid plus a base equals a salt and a water. And we're talking about strong acids and strong bases. So strong acid plus a strong base yields a salt and water. So why do we need neutralization? So one common example is shiny hair. Shampoo is a base. Conditioners neutralize this so your hair becomes shiny. Heartburn, indigestion, and acids neutralize the hydrochloric acid in your stomach that has gotten up to your esophagus. And then plants need soil that is correct pH. Agricultural specialists can apply proper chemicals to neutralize soil and make it the correct pH. Also, if you guys own have a pool or a hot tub or something, you have pH up, pH down in order to make sure that water in the pool and in the hot tubs are the correct pH scale in order to not promote bacteria growth. So buffers, the pH of something can change very quickly. If the pH changes drastically, severe consequences can happen. So to avoid this nature has buffers. Buffers are substances that can resist changes in pH. Buffers can be a mix of a weak acid, which will give a hydrogen ion, and its conjugate base, which would accept a hydrogen ion, or a mix of a weak base and its conjugate acid. So examples of a buffer in a blood. So blood pH must stay between 7.35 and 7.45, or damage and possible death can occur. Our bodies have a buffer in the blood to help keep pH in this specific range. So carbonic acid, H2CO3, can give a hydrogen ion, and bicarbonate anion is the conjugate base, which can accept the hydrogen ion. These buffers are used at different parts in the energy cycle that you learned about in biology in order to maintain homeostasis in your blood.